o má kọjá mẹ́ta kẹ́ bóò ní èrè èrò ṣàlàfíà rẹ̀ wà ẹ máa wo ètò Bisi ológe show ètò ìgbàsí ètò ìgbàyùn ètò ìbárajọ ẹ máa wo my name is Cookie Raji Ambode ẹ máa wo ètò Bisi ológe show èèyàn wa ní pàdé wa ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi ló sọ̀ ní catch ya later.
My name is Damola Jaisimi. I'm the celebrant's first son. I'm the celebrant's son and firstborn. So thank you all very much for coming here today. Hopefully you all have a good time. I wish you all the best. Have fun today, and thank you for coming. In the world, very loving, very caring. Although could get very anxious, but very loving and very caring. She sees to the needs of her, my sister, every single time. Even if we don't want her to, if we want her to just rest, she'll still see to our needs. So we love her. We wish her the very best of birthdays, and we love her very much. Thank you very much. My name is Damola Jaisimi, the first son of the celebrants. Thank you.
Olubunmi Windapo or Naomi Windapo. I just want to tell my mommy happy birthday. I'm glad to see that she has spent 6 decades on this earth. She is my guardian angel. She's my protector. She has played both roles of a parent in my life. She is my guidance because most of the times when I feel lost, whether in life, whether it is even driving on the road or anything at all, she's the first person I'll think to contact. And I just want to wish her a happy birthday. I hope she spends many more years on earth because even if I'm grown, I still want my mommy beside me. So happy birthday, mommy. I love you. What? My name is Olubunmi Windapo.
My name is Titilayo Wamunuko, the celebrant sister. I want to wish her the best of everything in life. She's not just my sister, she's my mother. She basically raised me. I love her and I will do anything within my power to make my sister happy. Wishing you the best of everything in life. Love you loads. Bye.
Orúkọ mi ni Samson Afọlábílégúṣẹ́. Mo jẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n oní birthday. So mo dẹ̀ gbàdúrà pé ní agbára Ọlọ́run ọdún tí ó ń ṣe yìí ó máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀ láyé àti láì rere nínú àlàáfíà nínú ẹ̀mí gígùn nínú ọlá àti nínú ọrọ̀. Mo wish her long life and prosperity.
Thank you, sir. Your name once again?
Orúkọ mi ni Samson.
My name is Tanwa. I am the celebrant sister. Sister not by blood but by faith. And I just want to wish the celebrant all the best. She's all in all. She's a very wonderful person. She will go extra mile for people. And I've traveled far with all of my family just to be here today. All I want to wish her is all the best of everything. She's a wonderful person. I love her with all my heart. She is my sister. I will never trade her for anything. She is indeed a wonderful person. And I love her so much. And I wish her all the best. Thank you. My name is Tanwa Lawal.
Orúkọ mi ni Yèyé Bọ́lá Aya Ògúnlàjà ẹ̀kẹrin Ìpẹ́rù. Mo jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n sí ẹlẹ́yẹ òní Olúwabùnmi. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run wípé bí òjò ti rọ̀ tó tí ilẹ̀ ti fi mú Ọlọ́run gbèrò sórí ilẹ̀ ayé ó ń ṣe àyájọ́ oríkádùn 60 ọdún. Mo gbàládùra pé a ṣe ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ láyé o. Ọkàn ẹ̀ á balẹ̀, á jẹun ọmọ, á máa rí ṣe o. Kò ní ṣubú sọ́nà o, kò ní fàìsàn lògbà ọjọ́ ogbó ẹ̀ o. Mo kí pé happy birthday darling. Long life and prosperity. Yèyé Bọ́lá Aya Ògúnlàjà, ìyàwó ẹ̀kẹrin Ìpẹ́rù.
Sunday Shida, I'm Miss Windapo colleague at work. I'm here to celebrate with her today, and I wish her many, many years to come. And I wish her good luck and God blessings. You guys enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Dear Olubunmi Windapo, happy birthday, happy landmark celebration. I wish you all the best. You wish for yourself long life in good health and prosperity. This is your big brother, Otumba Olumide Talabi. Thank you. All the best. God bless you. Bye.
Alaji Akakeboye is my name. Sita friends. I wish the celebrant, I wish her happy birthday, many, many happy returns. I say ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún nínú inú dúdùn àti ara líle. Thank you.
For my mom, I really appreciate it. About my mom, she is my best friend. She's my guardian angel. She's the person who made me the woman I am today. Every good quality in me, I always want to have. I may not look exactly like her, but most of my qualities, they are very similar to her, and that's how you know that I'm actually her daughter. I want to thank my mom for raising me the right way. I want to thank my mom for trying her best and putting her all in to give me the quality education that I have today. I am now a graduate in media communication, all thanks to my mom and all the effort that she put in. I am an aspiring writer just because I wanted to be a media personality just like my mom. She's the person who raised my confidence. Every single time I step out and I have my head high, it's all thanks to her. I don't know any words that can express the love I have for her. And even the times that I am sad, even times that I am angry, my mom is the first person that my head will think about. I can't thank her enough for all that she's done for me. I can't.
At the last letter, you cross the K. Can I hear an amazing G? G. Let's take it again.
Hello.
Can I hear an amazing G? G. Can I hear a beautiful R? R. Can I hear a peaceful A? A. Can I hear a beautiful C? C. Can I hear a divine E?